the title of this talk is, attention crewmates of Spaceship Earth, is because we are on a spaceship. We're each and every one of us right now is in space, riding through the universe together on this spaceship that we call Earth, and we need to operate as crewmates of Spaceship Earth, and we need to take care of our ship, mind our ship, and take care of each other, take care of our fellow crewmates. History starts now. I mean, this is, all the kids that are out there right now that are watching us. The future is yours to build. The way to build that future is by working together. And you saw all different types of people from different backgrounds and different nationalities, and all coming together to work together. In some cases, setting aside differences and coming together to do an amazing thing in space. And so that's kind of the message.
What kind of floods back to you? Is there any particular shots in the video that kind of make you miss being up there?
Yeah, all of them. I don't know how many times I've seen that video, but it gets me it gets me every time, because it really does show the power of cooperation, of working together, of we tend to focus on what's different about, and if you happen to watch the news or you hear a lot of things on social media, it's all pointing out, or a lot of it is pointing out what we have that's different. Why am I different from this person? Why is this country different from that country? Why is this group different from that group? And what that video shows is that we have so much more in common than the things that separate us, or the things that we think that separate us. And I think that's what's so powerful about that. And that's what brings me back. When I see that and I think about that, when I was on the space station, there's not the American crew and the Russian crew and the British crew and the Japanese crew. There's just the crew. There's just a crew. And it's not just the crew in space. It's thousands and thousands of people across the planet in different mission control centers around the world, all working together as one single crew. And that's what we need to do. And that's why the title of this talk is, attention crewmates of Spaceship Earth, is because we are on a spaceship. Each and every one of us right now is in space, riding through the universe together on this spaceship that we call Earth. And we need to operate as crewmates of Spaceship Earth. And we need to take care of our ship, mind our ship, and take care of each other, take care of our fellow crewmates.